All right, today's video is going to be really simple. I'm going to be installing a new mass airflow sensor on my 240SX. It's a ka24de twin cam 2.4 liter, and right now it isn't idling. I just put a new head on it. When you're on the gas, it drives fine, but there's this weird idle issue, and did some research online, and a lot of people said it might be the MAF, and I've never changed it on this car, so I'm going to try that. Hopefully it works, and we'll go from there. All right, pop the hood, and it should be a really easy swap. I'll just ignore my zip tie here holding the plug on because the clip broke, but it looks like it's just 4 10mm bolts on the airbox here, and then I'll use either the 10mm or a Phillips head screwdriver to loosen this intake pipe off, and then we'll just slap the new one in there and see what it does. I'm gonna go grab the tools real quick. Crock check. Got the new slides last week, loving them so far. But back to the car. Yeah, basically the only two tools you need to work on a 240SX is a 10mm socket and a screwdriver. You can rebuild the whole motor with just those two tools. A lot of people don't know that, but it's true. All right, let me set this up where I can turn the wrenches and not have to hold the camera. Let me start with this guy. Gonna slip off the zip tie holding my plug on. Pull the plug. Bada bing, bada boom. Airbox is out. It'll be a little easier to work on out of the car. All right, got the airbox out. Gonna open up this new one. Hopefully they sent me the right one. We'll see. Uh-oh. It's OEM, it must be legit. I like how it says original equipment remanufactured. So you know it's legit. I got this from Advance. 1-year warranty. Looks pretty good. Plug looks the same size. It's even got a little Nissan box on it underneath that QR code. I love the clean metal. What a good look. If you're looking there, you can see the little sensors that I tried cleaning on this one before I ordered this, but to no avail. It didn't do anything, didn't fix the idle issue, so caved and bought it. 140 bucks I think out the door. If I send the core back, get 40 bucks back, so it's basically a $100 part. Let's see if I can get this guy off. This might be the original. No idea, but it's on there pretty tight. There's 1, 2, 3. Nice, not too bad, not super tight. None of them stripped or cracked. Man, it is insanely buggy. I'm gonna put some bug spray on. Summertime in Alabama, lots of mosquitoes. Luckily I'm in the shade by this hour. Just got home from work. The new MAF sensor is on. It's all shiny. You guys just disregard the condition of this car. It's a little rough right now, but hey, it kind of works. We're gonna see if it works. I don't have a parking brake. I'm gonna find something to stick behind the wheel before I crank it. That way I can get out if it idles. Let me see if I got something. Yeah, block of wood. This should do it, maybe. Yes, poor man's parking brake. Car's probably gonna go straight off the driveway. Sorry, I sound like an old man groaning. My back! You guys just disregard this dash. Alright, neutral. Clutch in. Ignition on. And that didn't fix it. Oh man. I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's annoying. Oh, I hate when this happens. I think I'm gonna try disconnecting the battery, seeing if that resets anything. And then double checking to see if any sensors anywhere are unplugged, and we'll go from there. Bummer, but hey, that's how it goes. We'll bounce back.